Ashley on cello and violin. Alright, so hola, México, dígame. ¿Qué tal? ¿Está bien? Okay, me too. So, because it's a festival, because we have, oh, there you are. I was looking for you, there you are. We have limited time, so I want to get to as much music as possible. So here's what we're gonna do. We've been in a band for 16 years. For 16 years, I've been writing songs for every artist from Taylor Swift to Ed Sheeran. What's up? From Paul McCartney to Ozzy Osbourne. Oh man, I'm just gonna keep going. You name it. From pop to hip hop, Timberland to Timberlake, to Faith, Raul Alejandro, Mike Towers, Anita, you name it. So tonight, if it's cool, in the next 10 minutes,